Do you know how to pronounce his name in English? The Chinese version was translated to Elon Musk. Literally, I don't like this translation because for me, it's difficult to match this man and the Chinese version. Personally, I prefer the English version, which is Elon Musk. Today, we're going to talk about how to pronounce his name correctly in 10 seconds and you'll never forget it. Let's throw 10 seconds on the clock and get started. On plus L, it's Lon. Elon. Must, change T to K, it's Musk. So together it's Elon Musk. Check the time. We don't need 10 seconds actually, we need... Anyway, that's it guys, that's all for today. Leave the comments below and tell me which one do you prefer, Elon Musk or Elon Musk. I'll see you next time. Next time, we're going to talk about how to pronounce his mom's name. Peace.